Hello everyone, my name is Rakhi Mudgal from Jhajjar. Currently, I am working in the AIMS Delhi as a nursing officer. I completed my post BSc from Rpiit college. My journey was not less than the roller coaster, but then I got to know about the college, faculty and their events. My batch was started in the pandemic, but our college figured out it so well they started with conducting the online classes. And our teacher make it really so easy to understand the things such as related to admission procedure, subjective topic, posting, examination preparation and till to the journey as a nursing officer. It was really a great experience and they teach very well. I really thanks to the principal and all the teachers. Thank you to make this possible as a nursing officer. I really thanks to all. Thank you.